I am provoked today to do this video because enough is enough. Yes, enough is enough. I know a lot of people are going through this, what I'm about to teach you right now. This is the best way to handle your enemies. This is the best way to wish your enemy to send that in which they have been sending against you back to them. This is the best way. You cannot tell them that you don't have an enemy. As long as you are living, as long as you are still breathing, you have an enemy surrounding you. How can somebody that God created on his own image wish himself good, want only him to succeed, doesn't want others to succeed? That is the plans of your enemy. They want only them to be succeeding. They want in fact him or her alone to always succeed, but they don't want you to succeed. That is a pure witchcraft and wickedness from an enemy. And therefore, they can do anything humanly possible to bring you down. They can go as far as blocking you spiritually, just to make sure that, yes, they bring you down. But that is not the plan of God in your life. I am here to tell you the best way to tackle your enemies. The best way in which you can send that arrows in which they have been sending against you, that arrows of delay, more especially backwardness, failure, late marriage, late life achievements, sickness. I am provoked to do this video today. One spirit has been pushing me since morning to do this video, and if I didn't do it today, I don't think I'll have myself. I don't think they will allow me to rest. They won't. So that is why I am making this video today. If you are going through this, if you are going through the pains that come from your enemies and you are tired of it, this is the easiest way to eradicate them. This is the easiest way to put them in that condition that they wishes you. If you like, do it. But the better you do it, the earlier for you, because it's going to help you a lot. That delay that they wishes you, that late marriage, that was untimely that they wishes you, that setbacks, that poverty that they wishes you, it is high time that you return it back to them. Suffer not the wish to live. This is the best practical to do on it. Not only by pronouncing it, you have to practicalize it. And that is what I am here to do today, to show you how you can do it. Please, if you have been watching my videos, always share my videos. And if I've been watching me without subscribing to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly do so. And as you do, God Almighty will bless you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. God will surely visit you at the point of your need. Now, to do this strong back to sender, we are going to be using an animal. Yes, an animal. If someone do you, you do the person back. It is not a bad thing. Where it is a taboo or a sin is where you have not taught on how to wicked someone. Where it is a bad thing is when you have taught on how to wicked somebody, and the person that you are planning on how to wicked is not even in any way planning any bad thing against you, and you are busy thinking on how to wicked somebody. And maybe you mistakenly jam this video today and say, hey, this is the opportunity for you to do that. You're on your own. Because when the person finds out and he return it back to you, or is your own case, there is no medicine or charm or any spiritual treatment that will work in your life. Where it is a good thing is maybe the person is trying to destroy your destiny. Hey, you are free to do the person back. Yes, you are free to do the person. And when you are doing it, it is not a bad thing. Don't say leave judgment to God or leave judgment to God. Or is your case. I know that God is the one that's at least that judge. But as far as you are living, you are still breathing. There is some certain things that God has given to us for us to use it to protect ourselves. And that is what I am preaching here on this particular channel. If you have a surrounded enemy or a surrounding enemy surrounding you and you don't know, or perhaps you don't, but you don't know how to put an end to all their ugly acts, all their wickedness on you, this is what you need to do. You don't need to fear anybody. When your hands are clean, do not fear anybody. When you know that you have not been in the midst where they are thinking or they are planning on how to destroy someone that has not done anything against you, you don't have to be afraid. Yes. And that is the only way this particular recipe will work for you. But if you have, in fact, your work, if you see someone progress, you become so annoying, so offensive, so bitter that you just want to cover that person. It is not going to happen. You know why? Because you are not the creator of that person. You are not the one that created that person. So allow the person break and break. Allow the person to do what? To live, so that you will live. So enough of all this sermon. Let me go straight to the video. Now, to do back to sender, strong back to sender, to return delay, setbacks, promise and fail, poverty against whosoever that has sent it on your way, also that say you will not rest. This is what you need to do. Get me a live snail, a native live snail. Can you see this snail? Can you see the mouth is open? When you get it, get me your alligator pepper. Fresh one. Okay? I mean fresh one, the one that you have never opened before. Get it and open it from the back. Count 7 seeds. Get me your needle. This is needle. Get me 7 needles. Now, you have to perform this around 12 o'clock. I think I still need 10 naira. 10 naira notes. 10 naira notes. I need it. Now, how will you make use of all these ingredients? When you have gathered this snail, this live snail, big one, big. In fact, if you can get the one that is bigger than this one, good and fine. Get it, because this signifies is a living thing. It's a living thing. So this is what you need to do. This is the snail eye. Can you see the snail eye? The mouth, the face. So this is what you need to do. At the hour of 12 o'clock a.m. in the morning, wake up from your bed. Or if you're the type that oversleep, don't just sleep. Wait till that 12 o'clock dot a.m. in the morning. When you wake up from your sleep, please help me and get 1 seed of alligator to cleanse yourself and to throw it from your window. Now count 7 seeds of this alligator pepper. Put it in your mouth. Begin to make that prayer. You see that delay that anybody has wished you. Whosoever that has wished you that delay. Whosoever that has wished you setbacks. Whosoever that said that you will not progress in your line of business. Hey, make that prayer. Whosoever that says you will not marry on time. Whosoever that said that fibroid will not leave your stomach. That you always keep on wasting your money until your head go with it. Say no, it will not happen. After that prayer, now spit. Can you spit on this snail? Spit on the snail's mouth. That let the person's life be like this snail. That let that delay, you know, snail is always delay in walking. They are so sluggish. That delay that they wishes to in life, let that their life be like this snail. Let their movement in this life be like that of the snail that you're holding. After that prayer, spit that alligator pepper on the mouth of this snail, and then you get me your pin. It has been long that I do this type of particular practical on this channel, but it is high time I start again because wickedness is increasing every day and day. Get this needle, make the same prayer that you are blinding any mirror, any object that you're using to monitor your life day and night. They are always busy monitoring you. In fact, they said the mirror that they always busy monitoring you to know what is happening in your life, and you are blinding their eyes. As you are as you are placing this needle on the snail eyes, you are blinding their eyes, you are blinding their stomach, you are blinding all the things that they always use in monitoring you. You do what? You punch it on this nail. Don't be merciful. As you are punching, you're making a prayer, punching them in the west, north, south. Their eyes will blind. As you can see, as I've already started pointing, I don't want to keep this thing because I'm making use of it. As you are pointing it, you see that the snail that bring out its mouth, you see that the eyes will begin to close. That is how the eyes of your enemy close against you. Then you begin to punch it. 7 needles. You point it. You punch it. Be making your prayer and be punching. You're punching their eyes. You're punching all their evil objects they're using in monitoring you. You punch it. And after this, guys, get me that 10 naira. If you're in Nigeria, get me that 10 naira. That this 10 naira is the lowest, which is the spiritually it signifies poverty. You cannot give somebody 10 naira and the person greets you. It is not possible. You said that they are like, as from today, that poverty that they wishes you, that you are removing it out from your body. You're removing that delay out from your body. That setback, that's marriage destruction that they wishes you, that you're removing it. After making that prayer, you use that snail to cleanse, use the 10 naira to cleanse yourself from head to toe, and then run it 7 times on your head. Now, keep it to one side. Early in the morning, go and dash a beggar that the eyes is blind. As you're dashing it, say that is how the eyes of your enemy will be blind against you. They will not see you, that they will never see road to succeed. That even they wish you see. This is a very strong assignment. If you are a spiritualist, you will understand the gravity or the powerful meaning of what I'm just teaching you right now. You give it to the blind beggar. That is how their eyes will be blind against you. This is automatic, instant back to sender. And after that, guys, after you have done making this prayer, this nail, do you know what you're going to do to it in the morning? You are just to go and open a ground, or yes, just dig a ground and then bury it. That you are burying them. You are burying their power. They are burying their jars. All the evil things that they have used against you, that you are burying them. Just bury them. And then see what will happen. If the person did not die, you know that God is not living. That is why I said this is a practical way to deal with your enemy. Enemies are wicked. You don't have to mess with them. You don't have to joke with them. Because if you joke with them, they will suffer you. They will put you in a place that you will be asking, is it God in heaven that created you? Even the Bible itself that says, suffer not the winds to live. I am not the one that said it. Don't come after me, because if you do, I will change hand for you. If you come after me and say, why should I be preaching that? I will ask you, what is your problem on that? And I will begin to examine you spiritually to know the type of person you are. Yes. This is a very powerful assignment. Do it and see that those, if you have played, you don't need to mention their names. This one snail covers it all. Even if you have 15 enemies, 20 enemies, 35, 60, anywhere in the world you have enemy, just do this once and all of them will collect it. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you have watched also this, I will have subscribed to my channel. What are you waiting for? Please go ahead, support me by subscribing, sharing my videos, like. You can also give me thanks, okay? As you do so, God Almighty will not allow your enemies to destroy you. So guys, that is just the gospel truth of this video. See you on my next episode. You have a lovely day. Bye.